How to add bio to your profile on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add bio to your profile on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok and then click profile, and now here you will find edit profile. Click on it, and if you want to add bio to your profile, all you need to do is just click here, add bio to your profile, and now just type here any bio you want, like that, and click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.